Well, hey everybody. I know it's been a while since I've done any videos and stuff, but you know, I've had a lot going on. Some of you know that I had the open heart surgery, quadruple bypass. That was back in April. I'm doing a lot better, but you know, with the heat that it's been out, we've been in the triple digits, you know, 102, 103, 100, so like that. I think we're supposed to get up to like 106 tomorrow. I haven't really been doing much outside on the tractor, and also I've been going back and forth to the doctor a lot. So every time I go to the doctor, that's virtually an all-day affair because of the distance I've got to go and everything else, and it just it takes quite a while. So I hadn't really made any videos, but I did kind of make a video. I haven't put it together yet, so it's going to be included in this one. It was, I took the backhoe off of the tractor, so I took a video on that. The footage I shot is not the best in the world. It's not up to what I like to consider some of my better photography work. And I don't know, you know, a couple times I've done a couple little things after the operation and stuff, and I don't know, maybe it's me or something else. I just doesn't seem like I can get the videos the way I want them. I don't know. It's probably just me, but I just don't think they're coming out as good. But that's besides the point. So I know some of you guys are wanting to see more on the reverse cam. There again, it's been so hot, I haven't messed with any of the stuff on the mounting, those type of things. We've probably got another month and a half before temperatures start to back off again. Hopefully they'll back off and stuff. And of course, once that happens, and especially when we move into this winter and this fall, there's going to be a lot of work I got to do, because as this brush dies down, got a lot of clearing I've got to do. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and kind of try to edit these bits and pieces of video I have of taking the backhoe off. I'll probably make another video on the backhoe install and removal later, but you know, like I said, we'll just see on that. So we're going to go ahead and go into that and see how that turns out. Okay, you guys excuse the wind noise in here, but on the backhoe, there's a pin right here, goes through, one on the other side, and then there's a cradle down there that it sets into. So when I go in there and I take this off, you'll see a little bit better. Alright, now that I've got the backhoe pulled in, I put the little block down here. I'll show you those a little bit. We're going to go ahead and drop the boom out. Out of the backhoe. Go out with the bucket boom, start to come down. That looks like. Alright. This point here, I need to pick it up to remove the pin. So I'm going to put the boom down. Take the weight off. Alright, I've backed it in where I was going to go. Went ahead and set the stinger or the bucket down on the ground, and I lowered the boom down with enough pressure to pick the weight of the backhoe up on the track. What this has done, hopefully you can see this, is well, it's come down on that side, so let me start it up. It's leaked down a little bit. The other side's still loose. Maybe I could show you that one. We can get in here to it, and you can see it's loose. So I could pull the pins to take that out. So I'm gonna go ahead and start this up, and I'm gonna go from there. So anyway, got the pin out of this side. Go ahead and pull it out of the other side. To lower it down and set it on these blocks down below. So we're going to see if I can put the camera down there. Sat down on them blocks, and we've come totally loose from in here. We're out of the bottom, we're out of the top, so now we're going to shut the tractor off. Alright, now what I'm going to do is undo the hydraulics. Alright, this hose right here, with this hose coming to the couple right out here, this is the Power Beyond coming from the block up at the front end loader. And so we're going to undo it. Now, this top hose that I just took off, this is the return to the tank. It's typically no pressure on it at all. What it is for is when you put, like if I put the boom and float, it's to allow it to be able to push the hydraulics back up towards the tank and stuff like that under no pressure. That allows it to float. This one here, I took off with this. This is the return of the Power Beyond going back. So we got Power Beyond coming, Power Beyond going back. And the only drawback with this is it's real hard to get the right angle on this. We want to make sure on this particular tractor, I don't hope you can see us spin this hose to where it's out by the tire, and that's the hard part. And what I typically do, because I don't have a dust cap, is I'll take a piece of blue shop towel and shove it into here. Now, the tractor's in neutral, so I'm going to just roll it forward a little bit. See, I'm totally loose from the tractor. So there again, to kind of go over this. Right here is where the pins go through. It's got a guide and a guide here. So when it fits over this, it locks into it. Same thing on this bottom area right here. Okay, it's got a guide, kind of helps it lines up, go in that cradle right there. That's basically it. Pretty easy to get on and off. Now I gotta put the brush hog on, so it'll take me a little break. Okay, and I want to go ahead and show you, see if you can see this. This is the bottom clip thing that sits down in the bottom cutouts for the holder, and then this is where the where it goes up around that round thing that I was telling you about, or showed you in the video. So let me okay, so get a little clearer view of it when it's up there mounted to the back. You got that thing that comes through here. This pin goes right through here, and then you clip it on the other side. And so between this pin, one on each side, and these right here, that's what holds it on there. It's real simple to put on and off, real easy to utilize. So I just kind of wanted to go over that. Now I've got to go get the tractor, bring it back in. Okay, hopefully the backhoe video is good enough you can kind of see what was going on. Like I said, I'm going to do the best at editing that I can. And that kind of stuff, and we're just going to see how it kind of goes together. But like I said, I apologize for not getting videos out. I know Bob, I think Bob over at Bison was expecting to kind of get something from me at one time. I apologize, Bob. I mean, right when we were going through all that, and I was looking at trying to get you that cooling unit, that's when I ended up in the hospital, and I really have not gotten back to doing much after that. So I do apologize for that. Maybe in a month or something, I'll be able to contact you, and we'll see what can be done there. But I got a lot going on, guys. As hot as it is, I got to do a new roof on the house. I bought all the shingles. I still got a lot more stuff to buy for it. And then it's going to be down to whether or not I can get any of my family that's still around to come over and help, or whether I get up there and do the damn roof myself. But it will get done, one or the other. So that's about it. Like I said, hopefully the backhoe video came out. I'm going to try to make some more videos once the weather starts cooling off a little bit more. So I apologize for not getting any out, and I really appreciate all of you people that subscribe to my channel, all of you people that watch my videos. I appreciate all the comments, whether you agree with me or disagree with me, that's fine. I appreciate every one of the comments, I really do. And you know, I'm gonna try not to get into any argumentative stuff with people. That's a new thing.